Alright, so here's a new American Standard Silver Series. It's running. Lion scroll compressor. This replaced a 2010 Train XR15. I don't know if y'all remember that, but I filmed that 4 years ago. But yeah, here's his replacement. That's a 4-ton from 2022. Completely brand new. So yeah. Very nice unit overall. That line is very cold and sweaty. That's really hot actually, so this unit's running really good. But yeah, very nice install. Located at a Goodyear garage store near that Taco Bell. But yeah, there's the new unit. Thank you guys for watching, and Happy New Year's.